Well, hi folks, I'm just going to empty one of these pots of Kestrel out now. They're a second early, or you can actually use them as a main crop. But they've gone sort of died off a bit now, gone a bit yellow. So we'll see what sort of amount we've got. I planted these out early April, so they've had plenty of time. And judging by the odd green one sticking out of the top, it looks like we should have a decently good crop, but we don't know until we tip them out as usual. So I'll tip it out, same as usual, 2 seed potatoes in a 30 litre pot, and we'll have a look. They're a lovely potato, a lovely coloured potato, a Kestrel. They look quite a nice size actually. Got a lovely skin, that's why they use them for showing. Got a nice like purple eyes on them, so we'll have a root of that, see how many we've got. They don't seem too big, so they should be good for, there's not a big one there. But so far so good. I don't think tipping them out into a dustbin lid's the best idea actually. I was trying to stop them getting all over my floor, but it's making it a wee bit difficult. No, we seem to have a good old crop. I just can't get to them. Yeah, they're a nice size. See if the skins have set. No, skins haven't set. Look, you can just rub them off with your finger, so they should be nice as new potatoes, thankfully, because I wouldn't want to be peeling these. So we seem to have quite a few. I'll try and get a bit of a wriggle on. Yeah, we've got a good old load out of this. Still a few to go as well. Right, might just have to put this on super speed because it's going to bore you to tears. Right, I think that's about it folks. I'm so amazed with the size of that crop there. So we'll give them put them in a bag and weigh them. I've used this potato fertilizer called Spuds Galore this year, and I only used an ounce when I was planting and an ounce topping up, so there's only been 2 ounces. Judging by the looks of this crop, it looks like a good old fertilizer. It's sort of double strength stuff. Quite expensive, but if you buy it in big sacks, which I'm going to do next year, it doesn't work. It works out very cheaply. So if you fancy a new potato fertiliser, try Spuds Galore, because that's what I've used for these, and it's looking quite promising. So that feels quite heavy. Second earlies, set it to pounds. No, not kilos, we're not French, are we? See what we've got. That feels quite heavy. Have we got a 10 pounder for the first time yet? No, 8.4, if you can see. No, 8.5, 8.5 pound. So I'm very chuffed with that actually. 8.5 pound of Spuds, second earlies. That'll keep us going for a bit, and I've still got another pot left. So it appears that Spuds Galore is the way to go, because 8.5 pound of spuds out of a 30 litre pot with 2 seed potatoes in, second earlies, is a pretty good haul I think. That's about it folks. See you later.